Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with safety. Park the Mitsubishi Mirage on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock a rear wheel to prevent movement. Allow the engine to cool for 10 to 15 minutes to avoid burns when handling the oil and drain plug. Gather tools: 14 mm socket, oil filter wrench, drain pan rated for 5L, funnel, gloves, and shop rags. Use 0W20 synthetic oil and plan to fill about 2L with the oil filter installed. Raise the front slightly with ramps or jack stands and secure the vehicle. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Place a pan under the drain plug and loosen it with a 14 mm socket, then remove the plug by hand and let oil drain until it slows. While oil drains, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, clean the mounting surface, and lightly oil the new gasket before installing. Tighten the drain plug to 25 Nm when reinstalling. Install the new oil filter by hand until gasket contacts, then rotate 3/4 turn. Next, lower the car and add oil via the filler neck using a funnel. Install new filter, fill with about 2L of 0W20 synthetic oil, then start the engine and run for 1 minute to circulate oil and check for leaks. Turn off engine, wait 5 minutes, and check oil level with the dipstick. Check oil level with dipstick after 5 minutes and top to the full mark if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.